This method allows co-printing of both structural synthetics and biologic components for tissue-engineered scaffolds. These scaffolds can replicate the native tissue environment more accurately, which can be beneficial for cultured cells. The main advantage of this technique is that it can print mechanically sound structures without damaging the biologic material encapsulated within the scaffolds, and an all-in-one technique for tissue engineering.
Produce microspheres with the desired matrix encapsulated. These microspheres were made with decellularized cartilage from porcine hind limbs. They vary in size. Work with a sieve machine to obtain microspheres of uniform size. Ensure the 3 sieve trays have been thoroughly cleaned and dried prior to use. Assemble the sieve shaker with the larger mesh tray on top and the smaller mesh tray in the middle. Put the sieve pan on the bottom. Place dry microspheres in the topmost tray. Then place the lid on the tray. Coarse sieve for 8 to 10 minutes. Then fine sieve for 8 to 10 minutes. While waiting, arrange waypaper for the sieved spheres. When sieving is complete, carefully remove a sieve tray. Place the tray upside down on the waypaper. Gently tap the sides to ensure most of the spheres fall out. With all of the sieve plates emptied onto waypaper,